Jennifer with Jennifer at Home, and I'm so excited and happy you're here today for the Decorating with Bees collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Z9 Designs, and me, Jennifer at Home. All other participating channels will be listed below. Be sure to check them out and don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be making a beehive today. I'm so excited about this really fun collaboration. I purchased this string at the Dollar Tree and it was only $1.25. I'm going to use this along with a plastic cup and some hot glue, and I'm going to make a delightful little beehive. Let me show you just how easy it is. I'm just going to start by hot gluing this twine right around this plastic cup. I'll just go around and around and glue the twine not only to the cup, but make sure I put enough glue on that I glue the twine to the other twine so that it doesn't come apart. I'll keep wrapping around and round until I get to the top. At the top, I'm going to switch to a smaller twine that I already had on hand. This way it'll be easier to wrap around and round in this really tight area at the top. Now I'm just going to take a clipping of the smaller twine and just bend it in half to make a little loop to go on top of the beehive. I'll just glue this on with the hot glue and hold it in place until it's set. I ordered a super cute little tier tray bumblebee kit on Amazon. I'm going to put these little pieces together and tie the garland. Today I'm going to be decorating this lovely weathered flower box. This is a beautiful wooden flower box, and I have put an insert inside, just a cardboard box, and I've also put some felt. I'm going to start adding some things to this flower box to make it nice and cozy with my bee theme. I've tied the lovely little garland together, and now I'm just going to add this right to the front of this little flower box. I'll just loop the little strings around and hang it right across the front. I'm going to start adding some things that we would find in a garden. I'll add this watering can, and I'll put in a flower pot with daisies. Next, I'll add our new delightful little beehive, and I'm going to start adding some flowers all around for the bees to climb on. To this garden flower box, I'll add some more greenery right in here, and then some more little daisies just like the ones we have up at the top. This 2-tier tray kit came with so many adorable little things for our bee garden. I'm going to start adding everything in. I have this cute little bee sign, and it has 2 little applique bees right on the sign. I have the honey sign showing that there is honey in this bee garden. This Be Kind sign will be perfect right here beside our beehive. We'll include this delightful little ladder right here so that the bees can come and go from the garden. At the entrance of the bee garden, we'll add this Home Sweet Hive sign. And now we'll just add some tape to stick on our extra little cute bees. They're flying all around the bee garden. This little bee garden is absolutely delightful. It'll bring so much color and so much joy to my kitchen. It was so much fun putting this together and making the adorable little beehive for the bee garden. I've added some little lights to the bee garden. It reminds me of little fireflies flying around the garden in the evening. It was so much fun putting together this delightful little bee garden. I'm really going to enjoy having this in my kitchen. I had so much fun with this Decorating with Bees collaboration today. I'm so glad you were here, and I appreciate it so much. I also appreciate all of the participating channels. They'll be listed below. Be sure to click the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.